I just want to give a quick thanks to everybody who shot with me over the Black Friday. Just over the last few weeks, we got away from eBay. We still got another store, but I'd rather get away from eBay just because of the amount of product that I sold every month was, I was paying eBay $4,000, and then I had to pay PayPal, their 3%, whatever it was. I was paying, sometimes I was paying up to $10,000 a month. And I mean, that was just ridiculous. So getting away from them gives you guys a better price. Also, this video is going to be unedited, but these are my babies. I actually love these sales. They actually came from a $3 billion company. They are made in Germany. They all test, they're really 2.2550, 2,550 milliamp hour. I just call them 2,600 amp cells. We're almost done. We got a few more thousand of these, and then I placed a bigger order. Actually, we'll be here. I don't know if that's focusing. We're gonna hope that's focusing. I'm shooting this on a Note 10, but yeah, we got a lot coming. This is actually the picture of my shipment coming. I paid a lot of money. Shipping was $4,600. We didn't want to go through sea. We didn't want to go. Well, I didn't want to go through sea, just because of the time. So we actually went by air, and it still takes almost 2 weeks to get here. And I paid $4,600. I want to be transparent with all you guys, because some people are selling you Chinese sales or other sales that are not worth it. These sales brand new. I think I'm gonna run them about $1.75, $400, shipping included. But if you buy through eBay, it might be $200. But I'm not quite sure where we're gonna be at. Just with the shipping costs, I think we're gonna be around that price point, maybe $1.50. The more I buy, the more you guys save. And we also have some more big news in my next video. But I had to sell, if people don't know, I have a Rolls Royce, I have a Lamborghini, and a Ferrari, and an X5. But I put up the Rolls Royce and the Ferrari for the next video. I'm finna tell you about why I had to do that, and the great news, and why I'm going to be able to bring you guys sales cheaper than any single person probably in the United States, just because I'm a businessman. I've been doing this. I had two jobs my whole life, and I bagged groceries and I delivered papers when I was 16. I had a worker's permit. Other than that, I've been on my own, and I've been working. I've been a businessman my whole life. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you guys for having EVE. I sent out not 1 or 2 sales to people. I actually sent out hundreds of sales for people to build packs and have them actually in service. So you guys will be seeing that from other popular YouTubers. But I still want to say thank you very much for sticking with me through, the problems that I had and all the other stuff. Thank you. Thank you again. EVE, we got them coming. They're going to be super cheap, only because I bought so many of them. And I have confidence. I don't need you guys' money to place an order with somebody else. I will put up my house. I will put up anything else just because I'm confident, and I don't want anything to go wrong with you guys' money. Because if you guys... Camera cut off. Yeah, so we're back. I have confidence in Oh, shoot, my mic. Like I said, this is unedited. So, let's go. I will put up my house. I will put up anything just because I have confidence in my sales. And the thing about taking you guys' money and trying to buy something, that ain't, you know, I mean, that works. I'm just not, I'm a businessman. And if I have confidence in my product, I don't need to take, just because I've been doing this so long and I'm in a position to do this. If something happens, I send your money halfway across the world. Yeah, still unedited. And they decide to take it or send, you know, bad sales, guess who's going to take the loss on it? Just take a guess. If you're a smart man, you will understand who's going to take the loss. You're going to take the loss, and yeah. What are you going to do? You going to sue somebody in China? You going to sue somebody in Germany? Yeah. So I'm confident in my sales or any business that I do. I'm confident you guys are going to be really, really happy with some of the decisions that I made. And thank you guys. I want to say thank you for buying so many sales and sticking with me. And I really appreciate it. And I will stay transparent with you guys. This is a business, so I do have to make some type of money. But I'm not just going to take advantage of people. And I'm not going to take your money. And I'm not going to, yeah, I'm just not, still unedited. I'm actually happy about the next video that's coming up. And also I want to make another video about Tesla and why I haven't bought one. My channel is, you know, I'm going to tell you all about my business, from my studio, from, you know, what else do I do? And I'm going to tell you why I haven't bought a Tesla. And you guys, you know, we can debate on it. But thank you. And I'm finished with the next video right now. We're going to release 2 or 3 today. And yeah, thank you.